Hey guys, NATGEE here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today I have a quick video for you. I got a whole bunch of Essence products as part of being a, I don't know what to call it. It's not an affiliate. It's not an affiliate. It's kind of an affiliate. I have an affiliate code with Essence. It's cool. It's really cool. I'm excited. I'm happy. So I kind of wanted to share that with you. I also wanted to promote some of their products. The only issue is girlies, my Canadian girlies specifically. My promo code is only valid on essence.com. I did not realize this when I applied to be an affiliate. They don't have a Canadian site. They don't have a Canadian site. We get our products from Shoppers Drug Mart, and my promo code is not valid at Shoppers Drug Mart. So I just want to make that very, very clear. My promo code is only valid on essence.com. So for my American girlies, you can benefit, you can reap the rewards of trying some of the products that I tried today. I'm really happy with it. For my Canadian girlies, I'm sorry girly, you can rack up those optimum points and support Essence because these products are actually bomb. But unfortunately, the promo code will not work on shoppersdrugmart.com. Just wanted to make that clear. Today's video was, yes, I wanted to try Essence's products, but also I really wanted to get into my 5-minute eyeshadow routine. Eyeshadow for me never takes me more than 5 minutes. And there's no reason why it should ever take you more than 5 minutes. So today I want to show you some tips and tricks as to how I accomplished today's look. Eyeshadow is so versatile. I feel like it scares a lot of people. People are scared and intimidated by the things that it can do. But even today, I started with one palette and I wasn't really feeling it by the end of the look, and I moved on to another palette, but the rules still stay the same. You still get a gorgeous, gorgeous look. My brows today are also all Essence products. Hello. And I got to try their viral lip plumper. So if you're interested in getting into this little Essence haul and trying some of their products and using my promo code when you're done, then just scroll down, hit the subscribe button, then the NATGEE gang, 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 and let's get into today's video. I want to start with What the Fake, the lip plumper, because I remember when this was on TikTok a couple months ago and everyone was going bananas over it. It smells minty with chili extract. They're so rude. I just wanna It's not as hot as people are making it seem. You ever eat spicy food? It really feels just like that. It's not that bad. It's really not that bad. So I got 3 eyeshadow palettes just because I was like, I have an everyday eyeshadow routine that I wanted to film because everyone's always like, oh my gosh, your makeup just looks so cute. And I'm like, it literally takes me no time. It takes me no time at all. So let me hook you up with that. So I got 3 eyeshadow palettes. This one is called Coral Me Maybe. Looks like this inside, comes with a mirror. I think this was like $5. Bronze this way. That brown looks ashy on camera, but I promise you it's not that ashy in person. Maybe it's a little ashy, but not that ashy. It is still plumping, by the way, or it is still tingling, which I do like. I like it to last a little longer. And the last one is Nothing Compares to Nude. And it looks like this. I can see why people were saying it's hot because it keeps plumping. It actually, which I actually like, because it's still tingling. It's not as dramatic as people might have seen though. If you eat spicy food, it tastes just like that. It tastes just like that. It feels just like that. So my eyeshadow look, so simple. So simple. You guys are gonna laugh. And laugh at yourselves for not thinking about it. We're gonna go in with the bronzed one, bronze this way. And then if we have to dip into the coral one, we can. So it's usually like a 3-step process. Like literally it's like crease, some more crease, base, and then a little thing in the inner corner. And that's it. And we're done. So let's go in with this shade. Does it have a name? Love Yourself. Love that. Oh, hello Pigment Essence, girl. You going brazy. That was nice. That was a really nice surprise. I'm not gonna lie. Because I don't think I've tried their eyeshadows before, so that was great. Okay. Yeah, that's looking really good. And you just want to make circles and blend up into the brow. I'm actually trying something new today where I do my brows last, if you can't tell. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be present. And I always bring this into my contour. Just makes your contour pop a little bit. It makes your eyes look a little deeper. Like this could go on by itself. Just a little blending and one color. You're done. I want to, now that I've seen the pigment, I just want to try the coral shade in the Coral Me Maybe. Because I love coral. Okay, she's a little invisible. Oh, sweetie. But she's not, like, she's present. She'd probably be really present with an eyeshadow base, but I'm just taking her along the edge to kind of help diffuse and blend out my transition shade. This is obviously not necessary for the look. I'm just doing it because I really wanted to see what she could do. Back to the bronzing palette, same brush. We're going in with that deepest shade called No Mistakes. And we just want to concentrate this right in your outer corner. Just like that. Just like that. That's it. That's it. You can take your other brush that you were using before for your transition shade and give it some help, some love. Blend it out. By the way, lip plumper still burning. Again, it's a good thing for me. I like it, but I get if you have never had spicy food before, then yeah, I can see why you're maybe complaining. Yeah, and all I'm doing is going back and forth and building up this bronzing. When I say bronzing, I just mean like the deepening of the crease. And I'm alternating my brushes, diffusing the edges. So then you just want to take your lid color, which I think should be this lighter color from the bronzing palette. And you can mix that with even the lighter color. Like, there's no science to makeup like that. Like, it can just be that. And then for my inner corner, I'm just gonna pack in the lightest shade called Right Track. And I'm just using the lightest one from the peach palette as well. All we care about is that it's light. And that's basically the 5-minute eyeshadow routine. After that, let's take a little bit of the darkest shade right under here. And not all the way, just on your outer corner. Drag it out too if you want to wing it. Make your eyes a little bit more, wing it. Just really packing in Right Track, which is this lightest shade in my inner corner, just because I really want that to pop. Brows and mascara at Princess Lash, back in my life. So happy. This is like one of the best mascaras I've ever tried. You know what I would love? If they made this in a brown, because I am a brown mascara, brown lash kind of girl. And the brow products are, there's like 2 pencils. They have a Micro Precise, a eyebrow designer. I got a lash and brow gel mascara and like a Boss Ink brow gel. So I have no idea what any of these things do. So we're just gonna try it. I'm just looking at my eyeshadow and I think I want the dark brown from the peach palette. I think I like that better. It's the one I should have chosen. But the rules still stay the same. I'm just being picky with how I like things to look. Yeah, see, the peach palette is doing the thing. There's nothing wrong with the bronze palette. It's just, it's the same concerns I had with the nude palette, which is like, is it going to translate on my skin in the best way? Like, automatically that's 10 times better. Yeah, the peach, the coral palette is that girl. My camera's gonna die, but we gotta get into brows quickly. This like a Boss brow gel kind of scares me. Not gonna lie. Up to 72 hours waterproof. What is this? Colored eyebrow gel, smudge proof. Oh, so it says it's like a gel and it's starting to like dry on my hands. So like, let's see. Take off a lot, there's a lot of excess on there. What this can do. Okay. Not mad at it. Don't know why my lips didn't move while I was talking. It's like I'm afraid. And I like the color, because they didn't have too many things that go too dark. So I was just kind of like, I need a defined brow. Hello. I wish the brush applicator was a bit better, but we got a tail. And it dries really well. I just fear it's gonna give me like an early 2000s brow. So we gotta go with the pencil. So let's use the eyebrow designer, which has a great pointy tip. The color is not necessarily my favorite for something that's supposed to be dark chocolate brown, But I don't hate it. We're trying new things. That's okay for it to be different. And just a brush on the end of the cap so I can just brush this through. That looks so good. This micro precise. So all three together doing the exact thing I needed. And now let's top it with this clear gel. Those are all the products that I got, so I'm just gonna add some lashes to my look, do my lips, and top it with the lip plumper and come right back. But before I wrap up this Essence video, just so you know, it is not the lip plumper. I changed my mind and I put on my Tower 28 Milky Almond Gloss. It's doing the thing and I had to. I'm sorry. It's not all Essence today, but for the most part it is. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you did like it or found it helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about anything I did today, anything at all, any Essence products you want me to try next time, any Essence products you recommend to me, leave those in the comments down below. And as always, subscribe to me. You pay my bills, right? Again, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.